Hey, what's going on, guys? Lawson with Custom Offsets. Today's video, we got another head-to-head for you guys. This time I got my boy Biggs back with me.
Let's go.
So if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, customoffsets.com. Also, we're doing a brand new giveaway. Scoop up one of these hoodies or t-shirt. The t-shirt and hoodie design are actually different in this giveaway, which is super sick.
Yep.
It's gonna be TIS wheels, Toyo tires, BDS suspension, a front road armor bumper, and a whole rock light kit from Black Label Lighting.
Yeah, it's a pretty massive build.
Full build giveaway. It's insane. So other than that, let's hop into it.
Let's go. Yeah. These are tough already.
All right.
I'm not ready.
First
for
one,
this.
on the left, we got a 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Running some Fuel Maverick D5 3.6s, 2414s with a -75 offset Nitto Ridge Grappler and a 3713.5 and a FabTech suspension lift of 4 inches. Taking a look at some specs, it's got the FabTech 4-inch with Dirt Logic shocks, 4 inches up front and 3-inch blocks in the rear. So a tiny bit of squat, no rubbing, no scrubbing, major metal trimming. He did cut the bumper with a plasma cutter to make smooth edge, approximately 1.5 inches. No spacers, had all chrome paint to match the truck, 100% blacked out.
Murdered out. Plasma cutter. I'm taking a Sawzall to that.
Well, he took the plasma. He's got the chrome wheels too, the chrome Fuel Mavericks.
Aye.
On the right, we got a 1995 Ford F350 Fuel Mavericks as well. The D260s and a 22x14 -70. The Trailblade Boss in a 375/45 and a Rancho suspension lift of 6 inches. Taking a look at some specs. 6-inch suspension lift with steering stabilizers, no rubbing, no scrubbing, minor metal trimming, roughly 2 inches of trimming on the front bumper, no spacers in the front, but does have 2-inch spacers in the rear.
Interesting.
And that's pretty much it as far as details go. This thing is pretty sexy. Looks like aftermarket headlights, it's pretty clean.
That's interesting. That,
And it's the Fuel Mavericks with like the black lip with the chrome spokes.
yeah.
Like black barrel, black
Yeah.
lip, chrome spokes, chrome hardware around the, or rivets around the lip of the wheel.
It's kind of a unique wheel.
It's always cool to like see a truck so old that's
Yeah.
super clean. So.
That's, yeah, for sure.
All right, I think I'm ready.
I think I am.
3, 2, 1.
Right.
left. Why'd you go right?
I want to build one really bad. I mean, everyone around here knows I want to build one, but YouTube community doesn't know that I want to build one, so.
Yeah, because what's the one that you're looking at?
I was looking at a 92 F350. It's not this, I mean, it's not diesel, but I mean, it was really clean. It's a decent
Everyone
price.
tell Biggs in the comment section below, ditch the F-150 and scoop up the old school. We need an old school builder on here.
I'm not ditching the F-150. I would keep the F-150 and buy this as well.
Dang.
I just gotta afford it first.
All right, so why'd you pick the right over the left?
Just because I want to build one, I like the look. I think it's very unique. There's
Sure.
not a lot of these running around still that are that clean.
Yeah.
And everyone's trying to get in the new trucks, and I kind of want to be different because that's what's around here. If I was going to buy a newer truck, I'd buy a new F-250. So
Yeah.
I like them both, but
Yeah, I think I picked the left just because it's literally the next truck that I want.
Yeah.
The newer 17 and up F-250 is exactly what I want next. So it's kind of why I went with that. Solid start as well. I mean,
Yeah.
once you throw some headlights, taillights, I would have gone a little bit bigger, obviously, with the lift. But the fact that he's got 2414s and 37 stuffed in there, pretty impressive. So, all right, next up, we got some lowered trucks. All right, 2004 Chevy Silverado 1500 Intro Rally Twist in a 24x10.5, 31 offset Lexani LX20, 275/30 tires, and a DJM Lord 5F/7R suspension. My guess is it's like 5 in the front, 7 in the rear, lowered.
that would make sense.
So DJM lowered, 5 in the front, 7 in the rear. I'm guessing that's inches. I don't know a ton about DJM, and by I don't know a ton about it, I don't know anything about them at all. So there is that. No rubbing, no scrubbing, there's trimming. The fenders are rolled, and there is some trimming. No spacers in the front or rear. That's pretty much it on the specs on the first one. I dig the wheel choice a lot.
Yeah, for that kind of style of truck.
I think sick.
Yeah, like those, you can't do it with many trucks.
Yeah.
And pull it off like that. I
Yeah.
think that looks really, really well done.
like single cab.
Yeah.
That thing's hot. All right.
Yeah.
Let's hop to the right. 1981 GMC Jimmy. American Racing torque thrust 2s and a 20 by 9.5 zero offset Turo AZ800s and a 295/65 and Western chassis lowered 5 in the front, 7 in the rear as well. So same height on both these trucks, just a little bit different. All right, so same suspension height in the front and rear as the other one, just a little bit different different wheels and tires. Obviously, American Racing is more up the alley of like the slam trucks.
Yeah.
But I really dig these intro rally twists on this truck a lot.
Good at it.
Kind of has like the resto, so it's a Jimmy, and then he took off the back top. You can see in the first picture he's got like he's still got the back seats in there, so that's kind of cool.
Yeah, that is cool.
Yeah, it's definitely got like the old school look with like the rusted out fender. Kind of got like the two-tone going on, white up top, blue on the sides. It's a 5.7 drop, no rubbing, no scrubbing, no trimming, C-notch in rear, front inner fenders removed, no wheel spacers, custom interior, although there is no pictures.
Rip.
I already know what I'm gonna go with. Do you know what you're gonna go with?
I know what I'm gonna go with.
All right, 3, 2, 1,
Right.
left. Wow, why?
I like those. I genuinely like the rat rod like kind of look to it.
Sure.
Especially with like a lower
Like the
truck.
patina look?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's sick. I don't know, the left's dope too. These are hard decisions, but yeah, the right, just because it's kind of different, and I like different. I don't like. I mean,
Same, yeah. I think I'd have to go with left just because of the newer body style. I
Yeah.
definitely dig the cat eye look. And it's just so damn clean, and I think that's why these wheels are super sick, especially in the shot of him like rolling the back wheel. It
Yeah,
looks
that's
so
dope.
crispy.
That's dope.
The paint looks so crispy. I think just overall, I just like the more clean feel. Although I do really mess with a lot of the patina builds. I think they're sick. But
Yeah.
on the left, we got a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport S gear off-road Blackhawk wheels and a 20 by 10. Negative 11.938 is the offset. Wow. Falcon Wild Peak MT37 by 13.5 and Icon suspension lift of 2.5 inches. Before we hop into the right, take a look at some specs. We got no rubbing, no scrubbing, no trimming, no spacers. It's got some ADD bumpers front and rear. It is super cool to see that they can fit 37s with only 2.5 inches of lift.
Yeah.
And it also looks like he's also got like a winch and light bar built into that front ADD off-road bumper as well. It's pretty sick.
that's why I dig Jeeps in general, just because you can put massive wheels and tires in there and literally not even lift it an ounce, like, or an inch, I should say.
Yeah, this thing's sick.
That conversion was a little off.
All right, now on the right, this is what we're talking about. There are complete different spectrums. We got a 1967 Chevy C10, Rocket Racing Booster 6 20 by 9 zero offset wheels, some Toyo Tire Proxy STs, a 275/40, and a McGoy's lowered 3 and 5 drop. 3 in the front, 5 in the rear. Take a look at some more details. 3 springs on the front and 5 in the rear with additional 2 in blocks. He's got no rubbing or scrubbing, no trimming, no spacers, all built in my garage and painted by my friend in his garage.
It's 2-inch blocks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did I say 2 in blocks?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm dumb. 2-inch blocks.
Sorry.
That's what I
mean,
meant.
it's a little nitpicky, but I was like, what?
Yeah,
2
2-inch blocks.
I got some 2-inch blocks.
Oh my gosh, it's Monday, I need coffee. All right, take a look at some photos though.
Holy.
This paint is pretty immaculate. It looks like it's been to multiple shows. That motor's immaculate.
I would eat off that motor. I could
It's pretty nuts.
make some eggs.
See, like these are way different, but I feel like at the same time, this is kind of a hard choice. Yeah.
And I don't know what I want to choose because I like them both.
Well, you're gonna choose in 3, 2, 1.
Right.
left.
Oh, I legitimately thought you were going to pick right for this one.
I thought about it just because I really love C10s. It's probably my favorite classic truck out there. But I also know that I really want a Jeep Gladiator really bad. My girlfriend really wants a Jeep Gladiator really bad. And can you imagine this Jeep Gladiator on 37s in Wisconsin winters?
Yeah, dude.
It'd be
Tiana pulling up.
Yeah, it'd be unstoppable. It'd be unstoppable.
I like those builds.
And it's so show ready.
Yeah, and for me, I wouldn't be able to use that for what it's meant to be used for. But like this, casual drive around the town, like you can use that all the time. Going off-roading, Dude, I don't know. Like, I'm not from here. I literally don't know where you can do that at. So, like, I don't know. That's just a hard decision. That's why I went with the C10.
Sure. All right, next.
These
On the
are
left, we got
cool.
2014 GMC Sierra 1500, some hardcore off-road HC 13s and a 24x14 -76 offset, some Haida Mud Champ 35 12.5s and zone suspension lift of 8 inches. Wow. So that's how he got up to the 8. He might even be at 8.5 if it's a 2-inch level. I'm not sure. No rubbing or scrubbing, no trimming. So see, that's why. He didn't want to chop up his new truck.
That's fair.
No spacers in the front, does have 2
Not me,
inches,
though.
2-inch spacers in the rear. He's got wheel lights, rock lights, headlights, and powder coated suspension. Taking a look at some photos. So it looks like it's like black truck, chrome hardcore off-road wheels. All right, on the right, we got a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500. Works 8/16s and a 22x12 -44. Fuel mud gripper, 35 12.5s, and a BDS suspension lift of 6 inches. Slight rub at full turn. Minor metal trimming, still gets slight rub at full turn. Trim the front bumper. Gator mud flap delete and altered in the front.
Why would you roll the rear lower fender?
Yes. No front and rear wheel spacers. I'm not sure. The way he typed all that doesn't make any sense. But
This is a rough one though, because they're both really clean. I mean, they're brand new trucks. They better be clean, but
I mean, the 14 is 6 years old.
that's true. It's very clean. It's cleaner than my 14. I can tell you that. I'm ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Left. All right, sick.
So why did you pick left?
I like the red powder coating. That's it. No, I'm just kidding. It's huge. I mean, 8-inch to lift. That's kind of my style. I like that. Big truck, jacked up.
Yeah, I think I picked left just because, well, one, I'm not a huge fan of the wheels on the 2019. I definitely dig the way the 2019 whole front end looks.
Yeah, it does.
And the chrome trim on everything looks really good. Matches with the wheel. You know, powdered red on black looks really good. And then overall, I just think it looks really, really nice. I think once he tosses maybe a different grille, some headlights, really take the build to the next level. If you guys need wheels, tires, suspension,
Custom
accessories,
Offsets.
CustomOffsets.com. Also, if you guys want to get your truck rated in a head-to-head, or maybe from the gallery, if we decide to bring that series back, you guys can do so. Add your truck, CustomOffsets.com/ad. With that, we're out.
Peace.